What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. So all of you that heard of this game, don't know how to play it, or like watching people play games, I am very good at this game. I will be playing for a long time, maybe probably. As you can see, you double tap for a skateboard when you have one. $300. And if you bump into one of the trains, you lose. You get caught or you trip and you get caught by the policeman, you lose. Get that, go up into the sky. You can also get the rainbow parachutes that make you go even longer up in the sky. Get yourself some coins, you know, all that. More coins you get, more stuff you can buy. Like that. Do not do that. Okay. That is how you lose. Oh, and these things, when you get those boxes, they do that.